is everyone acting like they owe us money?
Pardon me, good woman. Can you tell us? I don't understand this. The Lenopians have always welcomed everyone with open arms.
They must have changed their policy.
Whoa, citizen! What's going on here?
It is the day of punishment.
Punishment? Strange.
And getting stranger.
For stealing a sacred map, the priests demand punishment. Demand that this vile interloper who attempted to lay hands on the Eye of Kratos must die!
So give me your best shot. Oh. Make that your 4 best shots.
Silence!
What's the matter with you people? What's happened to the Lenopians? Join with me in throwing off this yoke of the tyrants. Listen to me! Oh, look at you people. You're nothing but puppets, and these priests are pulling your strings.
It couldn't be, could it?
You keep that pig's paw away from me.
It's her, all right.
That's Talia, the Black Rose of Oman. The pirate queen whose tongue is as quick as her sword.
Looks like she's relying on her tongue today.
Archers! On 3. 1, 2, 3!
Surprise!
Surprise!
Crew?
I wish we had more time, but... Well, Talia. Long time no see.
Any more time I'd be dead, you sea slug.
Simple thank you would suffice.
He looks a little tired.
Still the fastest feet on the high seas.
I'll bet you say that to all the wenches. She one of yours?
Yep.
Figures.
I guess we haven't lost our touch.
Dubar! As for you... So, where's your ship?
A harbor not far from here.
You still have the Nomad?
Still do.
Maybe we should be getting back to it. Those guards aren't gonna stay away for long.
Ah, calm down, sweetheart. We've been in worse spots than this, haven't we, Sinbad? Oh, remember Feluchistan?
Feluchistan?
We were prisoners on the Sultan's war galley. No water, no food.
Unless you count the rats.
Oh, that's right. You always said the gray ones tasted best.
How did you ever manage to escape?
Well, by then, Talia had the first mate wrapped around her little finger. She stole his heart. Then she stole his keys.
Hey!
Delight! Delight!
Hey, listen up there, sweetheart. Have a little fun. Hey there, cutie. Oh, aren't you cute? So beautiful.
Oh, not you, too.
So, what say we all throw in together? Like the old days.
I'm not so sure that's such a good idea.
No, don't tell me you've lost your sense of adventure.
No, I wouldn't even suggest that.
Well, how about your sense of justice? Your moral duty to correct the horrid acts of intolerance and persecution?
Wait, you've turned moral?
Hey, you want to help me right the wrong that has become Lenopia? Here is the means.
So you did steal the map.
Yes, I did. For this map displays every treacherous inner working of the temple that houses the Eye of Kratos. Temple that's run by this fanatic religious sect that keeps the lives of these peasants in utter misery.
You've honestly turned moral.
Let's just say that I'm making amends for past sins. What? Well, are you gonna help me or not?
Dubar?
Tally me with Talia.
Furs?
I'm always up for the right crusade.
Wrong guard.
As long as you're not giving the orders.
Oh, no, no, no. The courageous Captain Sinbad will be our leader. Won't you, handsome? What is that?
I call it a magnoscope. It magnifies the images of distant objects.
Nothing like a clever man.
Oh, you can also place one of these pieces of smoked glass over the opening to eliminate the glare.
Sinbad, where do you find such valuable crew members?
Just my good fortune.
That you've always had.
So, how do we get in?
Well, we'll enter as all enter. As poor peasants bearing gifts. Now, if only we can find a pilgrim caravan.
There.
Just like that one.
Looks like it's time to join the pilgrimage.
How'd you get these so fast?
Who can say no to the Black Rose of Oman?
Have you seen some of the offerings these pilgrims are taking to the temple? Look at this stuff. There's a king's ransom in here.
Temple of Kratos. Monument to cruelty, greed, and oppression.
And well guarded.
What exactly did you have in mind, Talia?
Come on. We're just in time for the tour.
Save me! Won't someone save me? Please! The gods believe in mercy. Mercy!
Attend, O faithful ones. This thief violated the sacred temple in an attempt to steal the holiest of holies, the all-seeing, all-knowing eye of Kratos. He is an evil child of darkness. Let his fate be a lesson to the world. The eye of Kratos forgives nothing!
There really is an eye.
Wake the guardian of the temple! Tomorrow at sunrise, the priests of Kratos will accept your offerings. In return, you shall be allowed to look upon and to worship the eye.
No! 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 Oh, please, no!
Pay tribute to Kratos. Venerate his priests and obey his laws. You shall be protected and rewarded. But anger him, and torments without end await you.
No! Don't let them do this to me! Don't let them! No! No! Ah! 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 Ah!
Kill us all.
Ah! No! 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 Please! No! 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 I beg you! No!
Let us be a lesson to all who desecrate the eye of Kratos.
It's horrible. Horrible.
He'll be a long time dying if I know that monster's ways.
Priests are the real monsters.
Talia, this Eye of Kratos. I always thought of it as a figure of speech, like the Hand of God. It actually exists.
Yes, they say it can see into the souls of men, but it's the fear of the eye that keeps the priests in power and turns these people into cowering sheep.
It's gotta be destroyed.
Come tomorrow, it will be.
Everything they have is in those bundles, and they just hand it over. Talia was right. These people are like sheep.
You can't really blame them. It's the priests. They know if you grab hold of a man by his fears, his heart and mind, and money will soon follow.
What is that?
Well, we're supposed to be pilgrims, right? So during the night, Rongar and I went around camp and we collected our own offering to Kratos.
Elephant dung?
Correct. It is elephant dung. But by the time they open it, we're gonna be long gone. Ready for the sunrise service? Let's go.
Maybe we should give him a little head start.
Booby traps. Temple is rotten with them. You don't think they rely on these hooded clowns to guard the place, do you?
Sorry. I'm allergic to incense.
Herein resides the Eye of Kratos. Even I, High Priest of the Temple, am powerless in unlocking these last portals. They will open only to one who is perfectly pure in heart and spirit. Make way for the Vestal Virgin. A warning. Unworthy as you are, you must not look directly upon the eye. If you do, it'll be the last thing you ever look upon. Give yourself to the eye and all will be well. But resist it, and you will be ashes in the wind.
Sinbad. Magnificent. And so positioned that it captures the rising sun through that window, creating a blinding light. A jewel obscured by its own brilliance.
Have you ever seen anything like it?
What is it, a sapphire?
A diamond. So beautiful, yet so evil.
Impressive. What do you reckon a stone like that would fetch on the black market?
Oh, more than you could spend in a dozen lifetimes.
But we're not here to steal it. We're here to destroy it. Aren't we?
Silence in the sanctuary! Time of worship's at an end. Go and know that the eye of Kratos is upon you, all-seeing, all-knowing, now and forever.
Sinbad, don't you see? This whole thing is just an elaborate jewel heist. Let her take her own chances.
You don't know that for sure, Maeve.
Where is Talia anyway?
You go ahead. I'll meet you back at camp. Go!
Idiot.
Sinbad, you're a beautiful sight. Of course, that could just be the blood rushing to my head. You can cut me down now anytime you want.
You got it.
Why does it always hurt when you rescue me?
This way. Quickly.
Two more thieves for the guardian of the temple to munch on. Excellent. The faithful always give more when there's entertainment.
Oh, you blood-sucking toad! I'm gonna wipe that grin off! Ah!
Careful. The guardian doesn't like his breakfast to be bruised.
Oh, we've been in worse spots than this. Remember Azerbaijan? Oh, did I forget to thank you for coming back for me?
And funny that I should have found you in the treasure room.
Oh, now wait. No, it's not how it looks.
That's what this is about, isn't it, Talia? It's just another heist. You haven't changed.
You're wrong, Sinbad. I know it's hard to believe. I spent my entire life coveting what others possess, stealing it when I could. But then one day I realized that I already possessed a treasure beyond price. My freedom. Who's more free than a pirate? I was ashamed. And so I vowed to use my freedom to free others, and that is what this is about. Okay?
Sounds good. But if you betray me, I'll feed you to the spider myself.
I was just in that treasure room looking for another way to get to the eye. The map doesn't show it, but I thought I'd give it another shot.
Enough, Talia. Right now, our goal is to get out of this birdcage, right?
Right.
Now, the way I see it, if we were to get this door open, yeah? Just stop! I don't think we want to do that. Yeah?
What's it got to do with a blade that doesn't work?
Yeah, exactly.
You know, I remember that one time when I had this thing in
Talia, look, it's Dermot.
Great, does he pick locks?
No, don't you see? Don't you see? If he got in, he can get out. He can get word to the others.
Here. Make him give him the map.
Okay. Dermot, find Maeve. Give this to her. Uh-oh.
Maybe we should settle.
Shh. Okay. Okay, that's it.
They're in that chamber. In that pit. With that
Thing. Well, what are we waiting for? We can handle those hooded goons.
They're the least of our problems.
According to the symbols on this map, it confirms what Talia told us. At night, the temple is protected by an elaborate system of traps and pitfalls. Best be careful.
Right. We have to make sure we're out of that temple before it opens at dawn. Otherwise, we're gonna end up as breakfast for that monster.
Not to mention what damage Talia's hooks might accomplish during the night.
First things first, getting in.
So this, Maeve person, what is she to you?
She's part of my crew.
Oh. Oh. That's a relief. Sinbad, I know we've had our ups and downs. Well, haven't we?
We have. Careful. Or this could turn into a threesome.
That's an option.
Talia.
to our stop.
What was that?
I don't see anything.
That, I believe, is the whole point. This way. Stay close to the walls. Point of fact, we disturb the flames inside, we're dead. No unnecessary motion. No unnecessary breathing.
Down! That's it! Ruse, that allergy's gonna be the death of you yet.
Looks like your friends have left us hanging. You're smarter than I thought.
Real friends aren't like that. Someday you'll figure that out, Talia.
Little brother!
See what I mean? Am I glad to see you?
Sit tight, Sinbad. We don't want to roast that thing. At least not yet.
Sounds like a good idea.
Quickly, we may not have much time.
It's a timely thing to say, Bruce.
Yeah, big hairy and gruesome's about to appear.
Try again! Hurry!
Guys, I'd like to skip being on the menu.
Gotta hook it on the top.
Aim true, Rongar.
Good throw! Now slide down! Slide!
Does look hungry.
Hurry!
Hurry. We've got to get the eye. It'll be sunrise soon.
Open sesame.
Very virginal, Cruz.
It's nothing, really. Just keen observation, a little bit of deductive...
How did you let this happen?
They're devils.
Nothing but money-grabbing thieves. Oh, not now, my pet. A leather guard. Capture those dogs and hold them till I get there. Seal off the temple. Let no pilgrims in until this whole situation has been resolved. Oh, I said not now. Don't you understand? This whole thing could sink us. Those ignorant peasants discover that a pack of thieves could walk in here and make fools of us. Well, my pet, you'll be back dancing in the harem quicker than you can say the eye of Kratos.
You three, the intruders are here. Find them and kill them.
Let's get it before the sun shines in.
Wait, it's Trap.
What, more surprises?
And another warm welcome.
We can't wait much longer.
A swing point. That's all we need.
Quickly, this way. They're trying to...
Quick, the doors! There!
Open the door! Open the door!
We still need to get you high enough to get over the altar.
I think I need a big guy boost.
Hurry! The sun's about to shine in.
That's right. Let no one in.
Sinbad! Watch out!
The eye! Sinbad, toss me the eye!
We can't get the door open.
Back away, idiots!
Where's Talia?
Where else? Looting the treasure!
Go!
Sinbad!
What?
You might need this.
Thanks.
Can you kill no one today?
Yes, I can.
Come on! Rachel's gone.
Flee for your safety, quickly! The eye is gone! You wouldn't.
Oh, yes, I would. Oh, you didn't really think I'd pass on a prize like that, did you? You're getting soft in your old age, Sinbad. See, I picked that one out especially for you. Hand over the eye. Hey, I worked hard for that rock. It's mine.
You said it yourself. It's evil. It has to be destroyed. You'll have to kill me to get it.
Then one of us is gonna die.
Oh, no.
Yes. Pilgrims, observe! 2 more shall give up their lives for defiling the eye of Kratos.
Good. Hold your ground. It'll make my slicing that much easier.
Remember Lumpur?
Fake! The eyes are fake!
That was gonna be my wedding present. For that, I put up with your bad hair and bony fingers all this time? You lying old lecher.
Anybody think that is worth fighting and dying over anymore? Good. Great. So, Talia, disappointed about the eye?
Ugh. When I saw that thing shatter into pieces, that had to be the worst moment of my life. Now, watching these people freed from their oppression, it's gotta be one of the best. This, freedom fighting business feels good.
Sure beats stealing for a living.
Just might give it a try. You know, as long as I can find a way to make it pay. Will you come with me, Sinbad? I could use someone around to keep me honest.
That's my crew.
Ah, I just thought I'd ask. Yep, I'm gonna be needing to get one of those together myself. Oh, this desert air is hell on my sinuses. It's back to the high seas for me. As soon as I can borrow a boat. See you later, Sinbad.
That's my horse.
What's she up to now?
Did I hear you say something about borrowing something?
She needs a boat. I think we better get back to the ship. Fast!